Morning guys, it is 10 to 11 and I feel like a peanut butter and jam toasty. Oh, I haven't had this for so long. I'm so excited for this. Nice thick layer of peanut butter. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then look at this cute little apricot conserve. What does conserve mean? Is that just jam? I hope it is, because ain't nobody got time for anything else right now. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I hope that's sweet. Yeah, it is. Ooh, that is absolutely delicious. Oh my god, that's absolutely delicious. What is that? Let me save some for another one. That looks like it's enough for one more. That is divine. Squash it on like that. Do a little triangle. Ooh, bon appetit. Hold on a second. It took some time to adjust, but because I'm used to having it with strawberry jam. But this is also really good. It's like a different good. Apricot conserve did well, because it's hard to beat strawberry jam combination with peanut butter. Bon maman. Well done, you. That was so good that I feel like I can have another 10 of those. Ooh, gotta chill. I'm gonna get back to work. I got leftovers from the Thai I had last night that I posted to my Instagram story, so I'll have the leftovers for lunch.